Artist and an entrepreneur. My life has changed pretty radically in the last 6 months because my girlfriend and I just inherited 2 little girls. So we now have 2 little girls in our household. I've never had any kids before, but it has pretty seriously changed my life. So I'm an entrepreneur and an artist, and I'm deeply interested in politics. I'm also extremely interested in the internet, and I'm hoping to hell that the people at Google are going to not blow this opportunity for the world. So that's that. Also, there's a profile about me in Google Plus as well.
Okay. And how long have you been here on Google, and what is your overall experience here on this social network?
I've been on Google Plus and since June of last year, and I've tried to have Hangouts regularly since then. Most of them are called All Things Google. Then in December, when we got the children, those regular Hangouts went away. I now have one Hangout a week on Tuesday morning to 6:30 a.m. Pacific time, which I host, and which is usually attended by my friend that I made on Google Plus, named Max Weinstein. And we basically talk about social media. And I spend a lot of time learning how to use Google. My latest interest within Google Plus is the future of hashtag use within Google Plus. I'm very interested in that, and also I've been experimenting with what you can do with what can be done with YouTube and how it interfaces with Google Plus.
That is great. So, what is there a message that you would like to send tonight to all the Googlers that are looking at you? Any particular messages that you want to say to anybody or to everybody?
I think that it would be a good idea for people who really are interested in Google Plus to figure out some way to help Google not be its own worst enemy. They can be extremely disorganized, in my opinion, very bad at listening, and at the same time, they're creating a miracle. I don't think that the solution to Google Plus and Hangouts becoming successful and accepted will happen within Google. It'll happen from people working from the outside in. I'm pretty disappointed with their management. I think in large part they are basically looking to sell information as opposed to doing good like they originally proposed. And I mean, I know there's lots of great people at Google, but they seem to believe that hiring the people with the best grade point averages from every university, college, and high school will spell success, and that is absurd. A lot of people who are creative and have the best ideas and the best energy are not necessarily #1 in their class. That's just a very stupid way to select your people. But what Google Plus offers is unprecedented. Just like the Internet itself is unprecedented, Google Plus and the array of tools that it's put together is unprecedented. And lastly, I think this is very powerful to have regular Hangouts that are advertised as such. There's very few of those going on. There's a lot of problems involved in having Hangouts, public Hangouts especially. But and I would like to see a better tools than GP Hangouts and the Google Hut as venues, as clearinghouses for announcing regular Google Plus Hangouts. I'm really getting frustrated with that as well. That's what I got. Just you caught me with my pants down here. I didn't expect to hear from you, so.
Okay, so that wraps it up for us, Frank, for tonight. Thank you for participating to this brief but intense interview. And we know you have other appointments, and you were so kind to join us tonight. So I thank you very much for this sharing your opinion with us tonight. And I'll be seeing you on Hangouts or through the post we interact with.
Thank you, Pio. And Pio, I've got the drawing that you made of me and my girlfriend on my profile, by the way.
Oh, thank you. I appreciate that. Okay.
I'll talk to you soon, okay?
Ciao. Take care.
Ciao.
Okay, Laverne, you can unmute your video and your voice. Thank you very much.
Okay.
You were very patient. Thank you for your patience.
Oh, you're welcome.
Okay, now tell us who you are, Laverne, please, and where you're from.
Okay, I'm Google Plus. My entire name is Laverne Lester Maringalo Thatch. Professionally, I go by Dr. Thatch. Where I'm from, you mean born, or where do I live? I was born in Guyana, South America. Then my family moved to Brooklyn, New York. We've been in America since 1980, and I have been living in Florida with my husband, Stephen, and our daughter, Elkie, whom we call Elizabeth, Elkie, which is short for Elizabeth Christine. That's her first name. And she keeps me extremely busy. And everything that I do, I've been doing since 2006 when I incorporated my company for teaching and learning and offering tutoring one-on-one, is based on what I've been learning from her. I just sit, I watch, I observe, I ask questions, she answers them, she interacts with me, and I've been on this amazing ride of teaching and learning with her. And one of the things that we do is we do it through science. She loves animals, so we go pet dogs, we have a cat, we have 2 turtles, and we learn everything about them scientifically, what their names are, and their Latin names, the internal structure, all of those things. So it's all science-based with us. We just talk it from A to Z and back. What is it? Like I said, teaching and learning with her has been, like I said, an amazing ride, a busy ride. And I am very, very happy and fortunate to have her as part of my life. And also to even my husband, the way the life he is affording us and allowing us to be free and do these things and interact in so many different ways and so many different areas. He just gives us the freedom to do that. Through his hard work. We get to play and learn science together. So that's fantastic,
So how long have you been here on Google Plus?
Oh my gosh, my account was actually activated, I think it was the 23rd of July, and then I was deactivated because they didn't like the name I was using. They said I had to use my real name. So I was reactivated in the first week of September 2011, sorry, 2011. And since then, I've been on here nonstop. More like 95% of my social media time is on Google+.
So your overall experience on Google Plus is positive?
Oh, very. I think I told someone the other day it was like 99.99%. positive experience on here. And you'll not hear me complain about anything, including the white space, because I think this platform and all these tools that Google is affording us, in this, this fast time and quick pace of change in technology, I'm just amazed by it, glad for it, and just want to use it as much as I can. So if it's broken today, no big deal. They'll fix it tomorrow. I'll get going again, and so I have no complaints. I don't care if they waited 5 weeks to reactivate my account. I was like, okay, they're busy. I'll keep checking, So, and I have been tutoring on here. My student right now, we're on a break because he needs a new computer. And he was 6 years old and he just turned 7 last month. And he is having an amazing time learning online. And even his mom, I was able to walk her through some of the things we do and how to do it. So now she's able to help him set up the computer and be ready to work and to learn to read and do mathematics and to do science, visit other parts of the world. And he's in Maryland and I'm in Florida. He's in kindergarten. And it's just amazing when a parent says, okay, you work with my child, I let you have what I call an open curriculum. That means I go with what the child is interested in at the moment, just as I do with my own daughter. She goes to public school. I have no complaints. I have complaints about the system, yes, but I do not rely fully on the system. And I'm not going to sit here and lament the public school system because I'm a product of that system. My sister, my sisters, my brother, my husband. And so I'm not going to lament it. I'm going to just say it does what it's supposed to do. You take from it what you want. Yes, they need to be changed. Rather than lament the change, lament that it needs to be changed. Get up and make the change. Get up and do something to make the change. So.
That's a good message.
Thank you.
May I ask you, do you have a dream that you would like to see fulfilled in your? Is that something that you really wanted to see realized in your future or in your present?
My present within the next 3 years, you would say.
Yeah.
I would love to be to be considered the expert when it comes to tutoring on Google Plus and providing hangouts that people want to come to and run a rush and say, yes, I'm going to go into Dr. Tasha's hangout. I'm going to learn some mathematics today. And it gets streamed live and people are saying, this woman knows what she's talking about. Is that too big a dream?
And one last question that would wrap us up the interview tonight is what would you tell to somebody who just joined Google Plus today? How would you explain the social network, and how would you what kind of suggestion would you give to somebody who just joined the Google Plus today?
I'll say allow yourself the time to explore. Just explore. In exploring, there are no mistakes to be made. You're just discovering new things. So just spend the time exploring. And in exploring, you're going to find that you're learning so much. And there's so many people out here in Google Plus who are willing to help and willing to share information with you that will make this a great, great experience for you.
That is great. So, anything else that you would like to add to this before we close? Something that you would like to express about yourself that you would like to tell everybody to self-promote yourself, or just
promote myself.
something that you would like everybody else to know? This is your space and is your window to the world of G+. So say anything that you feel like about yourself.
Okay. I want to be G+'s #1 tutor. The science, mathematics, reading, or like my company says, science, technology, reading, engineering, and mathematics. That's like promotion on me.
That's very beautiful.
Thank you so much. I was
Okay.
surprised when I got your message.
Okay. So this will end our broadcast for tonight, and this is another great interview. Thank you, Laverne, for being with us. And this will be available, this video will be available in a few minutes in YouTube, and I will make a post of it in my stream. So in about half an hour, the maximum, you will see this live on the post, and also on YouTube.
Thank you so much, Bill.
My
Bye.
pleasure talking to you tonight. You take care. Ciao, ciao.
Bye.